What is up, everyone? I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on this Budi micro SD card hub. You can store your micro SD cards. You can actually connect this to your computer and it will read your SD cards, so that's pretty cool. That's one of the reasons I bought it. It is a 10-in-1 hub USB-C 3.0 made for a mobile device. So I went ahead and bought this from Amazon. I'm going to put the price up in the screen. I forgot what the price was. I think it was like 30 bucks, 32 bucks. But I'm going to put the price up and I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm going to see if we do get 3.0 speeds. This is what I've been storing my SSD cards, micro SD cards, and my flash drives. So I got this little carrying case for flash drives. I bought this from Amazon as well. I have a bunch of M.2 enclosures. I got this ROG one here. And then I got a bunch of flash drives and my micro SD card adapters. When you buy a micro SD card, usually they come with an adapter, and I always keep them. There's no reason to throw them away. One of my cameras, so the Sony camera that I have, the A6400, only takes the full-size SD card, so I just keep them in case I need them. And this is where I store my micro SD cards. This is my little collection that I've collected over the years, and I some of them already installed on my camera. So one on my drone, one on my GoPro, and my camera has a full-size micro SD card. So it's not full, but this is what I have, and I'm gonna be taking this every time I go out, with my cameras. So this would be an awesome thing to have. So let me go ahead and open it up. Oh, it's got a carbon fiber finish to it. That's pretty cool. It is aluminum, so that's nice. There's the logo. That'd be really cool if it lights up. It looks like it does lit up, or lights up, probably. We'll see when we turn it on. And where's our cables? No cables. Looks like they're probably already in the device. So how do we open this? Is it a click? Oh, no, it's not. Okay, so it's not like a spring click where you push it in and it pops out. It's like a manual one. You just push it out from here and then it opens up. Whoa, that's nice. So the interior is actually plastic. But there you go, that's your USB Type-C, USB-A. These are the 2.0, I believe, and then the blue one is a 3.0, and then we got a Type-C. And this is where you insert your cards that you want to read. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's got your little cable already attached here. A little storage compartment for your cable. That's pretty cool. Always have it with you. You got your little adapters. And it looks like you also get a SIM card eject tool. That's pretty neat. And you got your adapter to USB-C, USB Type-C to USB-A, so that's cool. If you need to plug it into a computer that only has USB-A, that's pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to leave the cable out because I will use it. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It has 2 stopping points, I think. I don't know if that's intentional or not, but when I open it and I pull it out, it wants to stop like right here. Yeah, it's like a stop here where you can probably just plug it in if you want, but then you get you got resistance. You gotta push it out. But that's not too bad overall. So I'm gonna go ahead and install my micro SD cards here. Alright, so there it is. I got the 2 slots installed here. Oh, I got more slots over here. Actually, I totally forgot. So I can fill these up too. There you go. Just with the empty adapters. Awesome. Alright, so there it is. It's all populated now. So we got our micro SD cards at the top. Got the adapters, and then in the back we got our other adapters for our cable, micro SD card adapters. Alright, so that is the pretty much the basic instructions on how to use that. So I'm going to test the speeds of these micro SD cards. So before so how I used to read SD cards on my computer is I would use this USB adapter or SD card reader. So it's Type C and Type A USB 3.0. But you'd have to, but if you use this, you'd have to carry extra storage. You have to carry this, then you have to carry this, and you have to carry your cables with you. So that's 3 things to carry. And with this, it's just one single device. It has everything in here for you that you ever need for filming. Just not professional filming. This is for like the hobby filming probably. Push it in. It clicks in. Then you can close it. Not all the way, but like just so you can get the reader. Just so you can see the micro SD card. I'm just gonna plug this in. And I'm gonna plug it into my laptop. Alright, so that actually opened up the micro SD card in here. It looks like I had this micro SD card on something already. So you can see I took some pictures. It's a picture of my dog. There you go, sleeping. And now to test the speed of this. Now to test the speed of the micro SD card and the cable and the device overall, I'm going to be using Crystal Diskmark. Alright, so the test is finished. It looks like we got 23 megabytes a second read and 24 megabytes write. I don't know the exact speeds that the SD card can produce, but so I'm going to go ahead and use my old SD card reader, micro SD card reader, to see if we get the same results or better. And then I'm also going to change the cable on the new reader here. I'm going to use a USB Type C to USB Type A. Maybe the cable that was included is not, fast enough. Who knows? But yeah, I'm going to do a test with this one. Alright, so this is very interesting. We actually got a lot better performance out of my old micro SD card reader. We got 94 megabytes read and 50 megabytes write. Now, I don't know if it's the cable that's slowing us down, or it's actually the reader built in. But I'm going to use a different cable. I actually have this USB 3.0 cable that I bought yesterday from Amazon, because I don't have a lot of these cables, so I had to buy one. So I'm going to use this one and see if we get any better performance. I'm going to connect it to this one. Well, I'm going to use the Type C again. And I'm going to plug this to the laptop. Alright, so we got the same performance as the old cable, or the cable that came with the device. I was looking over the manual, and it looks like, where is it at? Yeah, I am connected to the correct one. So the one on the right, the one on the right is a data port. So that connects to your smartphone, laptop, or PC. And then the one on the left is the power port. So the orange means for power, and then the other one is for data, which is right above the USB 3.0 port, where you can plug in a USB flash drive. And unfortunately, we did get bad performance on this, even with the USB 3.0 cable. Let's see. Alright, so I ran the test a couple more times, and I keep getting the same results with this 10-in-1 micro SD card hub. I keep getting 23 and 24 megabytes read and write. And my old micro SD card reader outperformed it by a lot. I would get 90 on 90 on read and like 50 on write. So this was still outperforming this. And this only cost me like $6 when I bought it. This cost me like $30 almost, and or 30 or more. Although it does have a cool storage system, I'm probably gonna return it and look for something better because I'm not getting the USB 2.0, USB 3.0 speeds, which it claims to have 5 gigabits a second, and it doesn't. It just doesn't. I use a cable whatever it came with, and it doesn't work. I keep getting the same results. I use a different cable, a USB 3.0 cable. It still didn't work. And yeah, so this is an L for me, so it's a fail. I'm going to return this. So that is all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.